everyone, my name's Molly and this is my good friend Millie. Today we're going to be doing craft. We're going to be making a fish, a really pretty colourful fish. And we don't need much, so let me go through what we need. We need a pair of scissors, as long as your parents say it's all good and they can come help. Some textures or crayons. And we need some colour pieces of paper, which we already pre-cut, but all you do is grab it and you just cut it long ways that way. And we also need, oh, Millie, how you going? We also need a piece of plain paper. Now, the first thing we're going to do to make our colourful fish is to draw the fish. But while I've been talking, Millie already drew our fish. Good job, Millie. High five. Can I have that crayon back? Thank you so much. So now we need our scissors. Yes. Oh, we need to give our fish an eye. Of course. How silly of me. Big eye. And we'll colour that in. Awesome. Good job. Thanks for reminding me, Millie. That's why it's so good to do it with your sisters or brothers or mum and dad or your friends. There we go. Is that a good eye? Thank you. So we're going to get our scissors, but make sure your parents say yes, or they can help you. And we're going to cut out our fish. Fish is hard to cut out, Millie. Lucky you're next to me and helping me out. There we go. Awesome. We're nearly there, aren't we, Millie? Good job. Oh, we're so close, aren't we, Millie? And we'll go down here. And if you don't have coloured paper like us, you can just colour it in. Get white paper and colour it. Isn't that right, Millie? All right, there is our fish. We don't need these bits of paper anymore, do we? All right, scissors over there. Now, what we do is we fold in half, just like that. Move it a little bit across, and we push down, don't we? Now, we get back our scissors, and we make 6 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Awesome. All right, so now we've got a fish with a lot of holes in it, don't we? But not to worry. We are going to make it look pretty, aren't we? Should we start with green? Yes? All right, so what we do, boys and girls, is we lift up the first little bit of paper. We file it through, and then we skip that one, and we file it through again underneath. And then we pull it through. We lift it up the last one, don't we, Millie? And we put it through like that. So the first one should look like that. All right. It looks pretty good, doesn't it, Millie? All right. Second one, should we go orange? No. All right. Brown? Brown. All right. So for the next one, boys and girls, we go under. So we skip the first one. We go under, over, under, and over, and under. Sometimes it's easy to lift the paper up, isn't it, Millie, off the table? And just put this bit under. So then, our second bit looks like this. And then what we do is, we grab another piece of paper. Do you want pink? Pink? Awesome. That's Millie's favourite colour, guys. And we go back to what we've done with our first piece of paper. So we go through, under, over. Good job, under. And we push that one across. And now we've got 3, everyone. All right, I think it's time for an orange one. Are you in the mood for orange now? Amazing. So now we go under on the second one, the same as our brown piece of paper, whatever your second one is. Sometimes when it gets to the end, it's a bit harder to get under, but just use your fingers and push up the piece of paper. And then we'll file it through under there and file it through there. And we've got 4. It's looking so colourful, isn't it, Millie? Amazing. I think we've got enough for one more, and I think it should be blue, so we've got one of each colour. So we go back to the first one and we go under and we push that one through just like that, and then we go back under. It's looking good, isn't it, Millie? I'm so excited. And under and over and over, under, and there we go, and we pull that one through. There we go, boys and girls. There's our 5 pieces of paper. If you've got a bigger fish, you can fit more pieces of paper, because we did have spare, didn't we? And then, or you can have less. So now what we do is we have all the pieces of paper at even. Now we get back our scissors, don't we, Millie? And we're going to cut some gills. We're going to go, this bit's a little bit more challenging, so you can get your parents again. And we're going to cut down, aren't we, Millie? So we've got that shape. And then we'll move them to the side, and we're going to cut on the diagonal, going down. Just like that. And there our fish is, our very colourful fish. And if you want at the end, you can grab pieces of paper and we can draw some squiggles, can't we? Maybe we'll do some blue. Just like that. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming and making craft with us and making a fish. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.